Hello everyone. In this very short video, we'll see how to install and use the proportional resize to dimension add-on in Blender 4.3, which you can find at the link in the description. This add-on allows you to specify a final dimension along one axis for an object and get proportional resizing on all axes based on the specified dimension. It's useful if, for example, you've modeled an object that must have at least one precise dimension, as is often required for 3D printing. Sometimes, however, after modeling with sculpting or other modifiers, object dimensions end up with values that are not practical for scaling. This is where this small add-on becomes very handy. As with many of my other video tutorials, the PDF version of this tutorial is available for free at the link in the description. This is also a great time to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss upcoming tutorials. To install the add-on after downloading it, I open the Preferences window from the Edit menu. Then I open the Add-ons tab and click on Install from Disk at the top right. I select the add-on from its location on the disk to install and activate it. Then, I click on Save Preferences at the bottom left to keep it available for future Blender sessions. Now I can close the Preferences window and start using the add-on. In the example shown on screen, I have a 3D model with a height of 2.12689 meters. I want to resize this model so that it is exactly 20 centimeters tall to 3D print it with that final height. I can bring up Blender's search window by pressing F3 or the spacebar because, in my case, I've set the search function to the spacebar in the Preferences Key Map tab. Anyway, with the object selected in object mode, I type resize to dimension to quickly find and use the tool. I then type 0.2 as the final dimension, select the Z-axis, and run the script. As you can see in the transform panel, the object's height is now exactly 0.2 meters, and all other dimensions have been resized proportionally. Remember to apply the scale transformations by pressing Ctrl-A and choosing Apply Scale before exporting the object or performing other operations. Well, that's it for this very short tutorial on how to use the proportional resize to dimension add-on. I hope you found it useful. See you soon.